Well, the S&P lower for the month of April as we approach the halfway mark. If it continues, it could be the first down April since 2005. On that note, let's get some value plays because guess what, Mark? It is
Thoroughly Thrifty Thursday.
Phil Dietrich is president and CIO with Foxhall Capital Management. Alan Gale is senior investment strategist with Ridgeworth Capital Management. Gentlemen, good to have both of you with us. Appreciate it. Let's start with you, Paul. Paul. Plays.
You gonna ask him something?
Well, I thought I was waiting for some plays. What should I buy? Sorry.
All right. No, I want to ask. I want to ask right away. Paul, you got three stocks: ExxonMobil, Rio Tinto, Spanish Mountain Gold. Why Spanish Mountain Gold?
Spanish Mountain Gold is the cheapest in-the-ground gold in the world in a stable place, Canada. It has great management.
Wait a minute. Spanish Mountain Gold is in Canada?
Yes.
Okay.
It's in British Columbia, and as I said, it's the cheapest in-the-ground gold in the world. You can basically, with all the cost involved, buy gold for $1,050 an ounce. And given the current price of gold, that's like a 25% discount. It's one of my favorite. It's a junior gold stock, but it is on the Canadian Stock Exchange.
All right, you're confident in the stability of the Canadian government?
I am.
Yeah. All right. Alan, give us an idea or two.
Well, the recipe for the success we've had in the Ridgeworth value funds has been essentially 2 plus 2. We get reasonably valued stocks paying a dividend, and then we look for a growth catalyst, whether that be domestic or international, and also the ability to maintain margins. And we think that in this market that's already doubled since March 2009, we think that there are some good values across the board. So if you look at our list, you can see that there are names in the consumer discretionary area, finance, industrial, and even in the utility area. And we think they all have this combination of 2 plus 2.
And Paul, what about, we were just talking downstairs, obviously, with the CEO of Arcos Dorados, and I know you want exposure to a lot of those countries as well, but you're doing it through a utility.
Empresa Nacional de Electricidad is one of my favorite utilities. It's hard to find a utility that's a growth stock. And this company provides in some of the places, quasi-monopoly electrical services to Brazil, Argentina, Chile, Colombia, Peru. These are some of the fastest growing companies in Latin America. They're natural resource rich companies, has a great management, moderate PE, great return on equity, huge cash flow generator, and great growth prospects.
Meantime, Brother Alan, you like Southwest Airlines, huh?
Yes, we do.
That's a value play?
It is. If you look, they've just executed the merger with AirTran. That's going to expand their markets by 39, including Atlanta. And we've been noticing some ability to pass along the fuel price increases. So it's the ability, even though it's in the domestic market, they're going to be able to generate higher traffic volume, and they're doing a good job in trying to maintain profit margins. And so we like it.
All right, gentlemen. Paul, Alan, thank you both very much.